Okay, let's see if this works now. Alright, I'm trying to find the CamStudio problem because my codecs apparently wasn't configured right or something like that. And I have like 20 and 30-minute tutorials, and I'll crash and not get it. This is what I was getting. Alright, this is the Art Rage video tutorial for stencils I was trying to create. And it says error Windows can't create this file. Windows error text can't create video player or unknown codecs. Try to install a video codecs from this site. Or try direction on properties video. What the hell is that directional option in the property video? It's like, what are you smoking? So I'm gonna put this side by side so I can fix it here, right? It says, let's say, direct show option properties. Alright, let's go find what the hell is properties. Unless it means this properties. No, maybe the actual properties of CamStudio. No. Alright guys, you guys have any idea what they're talking about? Because I'm looking into trying to find the damn properties in here. I just need some help, guys. This time I need the help. Minimize this stupid dumb. Come on. Where it says in front view as a file thing. It usually plays all my AVI files in a damn thing. So I am editing CamStudio here, but for some reason this 30-minute tutorial is not letting me do a damn thing. You guys tell me. Let's get out of this. We'll try it again. This is very slow.